Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something very quick and show you something very important. I get questions all the time about Olaplex and a lot of people don't understand how you can use it in different ways. Yes, part 1 is made to go in the bleach, part 2 is made to put on the hair after the bleach is washed out. A lot of people don't know that you can actually do a standalone treatment. So I'm going to show you today in this video how you can accomplish that and get it done. Charge your clients a little extra money and do this in between sessions to keep their hair healthy, and it works amazingly. If this is something you want to watch, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to do this. You want to take a bottle, just like you would for toner, and you want to measure it. So you want to take 3 ounces of water, doesn't matter the temperature. You want to be as exact as possible. If you want to use warm water, you can, so it doesn't freeze them to death. Alright, now you're going to take your Olaplex right here, take the top off. I gotta get a new one. This lasts me forever, and I do a whole bunch of blondes. It lasts me like 4 months. And I go all the way up to half an ounce right here at the top. And you pour it in. Mix it around a little bit, and then you bring your client over and you apply this on dry hair. So you guys, Olaplex is something I always have in my arsenal, and Olaplex has been the first of its kind, and it's truly revolutionary. Over the last few years, they have continued to put out amazing products with great quality that I recommend to all of my clients of all hair types, especially my blondes who are over-processed. They have the number 1 and number 2, as you see in this video today, for professional use only. Part 1 is a liquid that I always use in my lightener, and you can apply it in color and water for a standalone treatment as I'm doing here today. Number 3 is the less potent client version of the take-home treatment. Number 4 is shampoo. Number 5 is conditioner. Number 6 is the bond smoother leave-in. And number 7 is the oil. Recently added to their amazing lineup of good quality products has been number 0, and that is for clients to pair and use with the take-home number 3 treatment. Let me know if you'd like a video down below in the comment section on how to use that as well. You guys, don't forget, it's very crucial to remember you have to shampoo and condition after the treatment. You guys know I work very closely with Fanola, and I am one of their insiders. I've always been in love with their restructuring line. So once I'm done shampooing and conditioning, I seal the deal with Fanola's NutriCare restructuring mask for a few moments. All the information on purchasing Fanola products on both of their websites, as well as my discount code, is down below in the description box, so check it out. Alright guys, look how beautiful her hair looks. And it's so shiny. That Olaplex treatment did its job. And of course, we did the deep conditioning treatment as well from Fanola, the restructuring line. It's so shiny. I've been loving Kenra's styling products. I love their silkening gloss. I've been using that a lot now, and you can literally feel like how silky her hair is. And you can see the shine, like, Alright, I hope you learned something today and how to do an Olaplex standalone treatment. Any questions, leave them down in the comments section. And video ideas, leave them down there as well. I want to put out what you guys want to see. As always, so long for now.